Hi guys, this is Miss Glass. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create your own Lino board, so pay close attention to each of these steps. Okay, so to start out you are going to have to get to linoit.com. So up in the URL bar you're going to type in en.linoit.com, and if you forget that, it's written up on our list of websites by the computers. Okay, so once you've gotten to Lino, you need to log in, so make sure you click log in and not sign in. And then you can put in our class login. The username is Glass Gifted and the password is Gifted. This information is on our website list by the computers as well, in case you forget. Okay, so once you're in, you're ready to create a new canvas. So on this page, you're going to click the little blue button that says Create a New Canvas. So we'll just call this one Example. You can pick any background that you want. And then down here, it's going to show you some different options. So depending on what you want to do with your Lino board, you're going to decide what kind of access you want to give. You never want to do for my own private use because then no one can see it. If you want everyone to just be able to see your Lino board but not be able to post their own stickies on it, then you'll click this one. If you want everyone to be able to post stickies as well, then you can click this one. Most of you are probably working on medieval animal investigation board, and if that's what you're doing, then you want to click this one, show stickies to everyone, but you don't want other people to post on the board you create. And then everything down here in details is fine. Just leave it as it is, and then you can create the canvas. Okay, so now we have created our canvas and you're ready to add all of the elements that are required for your project that you're working on. So everything that you're going to add is going to come from over here in the top right hand corner. All the different post-its you can pick are right here, so when you're ready to add a piece of information, you can just click on a post-it and let you type in your piece of information. So whatever you want to add on there. If you want to do a tag, like if you want to add your name or anything like that, you can do that. You can change the font size, the font color. You can add an icon if you would like to. You can also change the color of your sticky if you want to change it here. Once you've got everything you want, you're going to click Post. Okay, and then you've got your sticky added to your Lino board. Be careful after you post. Remember, if you click this check mark, it's going to peel your sticky off. And just so you know, once you click it, it will give you a quick chance to undo it, but you have to do it really quickly. Okay, if you have to go back and edit, you're going to click this button right here that kind of looks like a pencil eraser. It's going to let you go back and change things if you want to. The rest of these buttons you don't really need to use for anything. Once you have it exactly like you want it, you can click right here to add in a pin, and then it will not come off. It can't be moved. If you want to go back and change it, then you can take the pin off and then you can move it somewhere else if you'd like to and put the pin back in when you're finished. Okay, another thing you might want to add to your board, or you might be required for your project to add, are pictures. So when you want to add a picture, you're just going to click this button right here that looks like an image, and it's going to ask you to choose a file. So before you can add this in, you're going to have already saved a picture from the internet. So let's just click Choose File so you can see how it works. Here's a picture of a medieval castle. So I'm going to add that. Just click on the picture, click Open, post it, and there we go. If you are not sure how to save a picture from the internet or how to find a picture that you saved already and get it onto the Lino board, then you need to go and ask Miss Glass about that and I will help you out with it. Another thing that you can do is add a video. You have two options when you add a video. You are either going to create a video yourself. If you're on an iPad, once you click that video button, it's going to give you an option to create your own video. If you want to create a video of yourself explaining something about your board or about your project. The other thing that you can do is add in a URL from YouTube. Okay, so I found this video on YouTube that I like about castles in the Middle Ages, and I'm going to add it to my Lino board. So watch carefully what I do. I've got the video pulled up. I'm going to come up here where the URL is and highlight the entire address. Right click and copy it. And then I'm going to go back over to my Lino board. Remember I said you can click on the film strip to add a video. Once I click on the film strip, I'm going to come right here in this URL box and paste the URL for my video. Then when I click post, my video is going to appear where I can place it wherever I would like it to be on my Lino board. That's pretty much it. Now you know how to do everything that you need to do for your Lino board, so happy creating.